So for checking. Is it clear? Amina, did you hand in the assignment? The previous one?
Yes, ma'am, I did.
Then afterwards also I gave exercise 3.3. That also you have to submit. Okay? What happened, Abdullah? See, unless all cameras are not on, I'm not going to start with the class. And if you don't want to switch on the camera, then you know what rule we are following at Golden Sparrow. Okay? You need to shift in the waiting room those who don't want to switch on their camera. Fine? Abdullah, Amina, what happened? Are you there, Abdullah? Safia has not joined in yet.
And she's there.
I cannot see her. Yeah. Yeah, Safia, just make me the host. And if you face any problem, please inform that you won't be able to keep your camera on. Okay. So please inform me that why you are not keeping it on. Okay, fine, Abdullah. Okay. So today, do you remember what we did in the last class?
Ma'am, we
And
converted
we did that rounding off.
Yes, we did rounding
off and
off.
also mixed fractions into decimals we did.
Mixed fraction into decimals we did?
Yes.
We did that previous to like the last class.
Yes. So today, bring your textbook and page number 37, exercise 3.4. We'll do that.
Page number, ma'am?
Page number 37, exercise 3.4. And please complete exercise 3.3 and send it to me before the next class. That is by Tuesday, complete your assignment and send it back to me. Okay? I have received Ahmad's. I have received your assignment. So you have submitted.
Ma'am, we have to do 3.2 also, right?
3.2, not now because we have not done multiplication right now. So do it. Exercise 3.4, page number 37. Done? Yes, Ahmed, what happened?
Ma'am, we have to do the exercise in notebook,
Yes.
no?
Yes. So first, do it in the note textbook also you can write. Just answer you have to write. Round each number to the, if anyone still has got doubt in rounding off, you can ask me now so that I can explain and then we can do with the questions. Anyone has problem in rounding off? Okay, I'll revise. If you have to round off to a particular digit, you have to underline that digit and check the next digit. Okay. If the next digit is greater than or equal to 5, your underlined digit will increase.
Ma'am, I have a doubt in this.
Yeah, so I'm explaining. And if your next digit, circle digit, is less than 5, your previous underlined digit remain as it is. Okay?
Ma'am.
Yeah.
If, for example, it is telling to round to the nearest 10 and we check the 10th digit, but
no, you will not check. You will underline the 10th digit.
Yes, but ma'am, beside that there is no digit. Then what do we do?
Once digit is there now.
You said on the right side you have to check, right?
Yeah, always on the right side you have to check. Okay, circle the digit on your right. After
but ma'am, if there is no digit on the right, then
it is understood is 0. On the right or left you are saying? On the left there won't be any digit. Right, so there will be a digit. Okay.
No, ma'am.
Like ones place you are telling. Ones place.
Ma'am, she's telling 10th.
10th you are telling. Okay. 10th.
No, ma'am, I'm saying 10. See, in the exercise 3.4, the first one, A,
it is
32.
10.
And yeah.
Which digit is at 10th place?
10th.
3. 3 you will underline and you will check which digit? 2.
2.
So 2 is less than 5. So what will be your number? You will replace 2 by
30, ma'am. It will be 30.
Yes, it will be 30. Okay. So the first answer is 30. B part, Munib, what is the answer for B? 78 rounding to 10.
78, ma'am, it would be.
Ma'am, can I say?
80.
One by one. Yes, it would be
80.
okay. C, Safia, you tell me C. 145.
360.
145 is there.
Acha.
145.
150.
Yes.
150.
Yes, it is 150. Ahmad, D part 363. Why, Ahmad, always you go?
Ma'am, I don't have the textbook.
What happened? You don't have a textbook. Okay. Abdullah, do you have? Why don't you have a textbook? Just switch on your camera, Ahmad. You heard what did I say just now? Are you
Ma'am,
facing?
you're asking me, ma'am?
Yeah. Did you open Google Classroom, Abdullah? It is there on Google Classroom also. Ahmad, you can open Google Classroom and check. This exercise is there on Google Classroom also. Those who have not got the textbook, you can open Google Classroom and check it.
And what if there are 2 zeros, 1200? Then what
Yeah.
would be the nearest
See,
thousand?
ma'am, what is D part? Who will answer D?
Ma'am, can I say 360?
Yes, 360. E part, Farhana,
1480.
1480. Yes.
Ma'am, it will be 15. Right?
No? Tens place is 7, right?
Yes, ma'am. And then we have to check right if it is 9, and 9 is greater than 5.
Bigger. So 7 will become 8 and 9 will be replaced by 0. Okay?
Ma'am, 3804 is 3800, right?
Yes, 3800. Now question number 2. Okay, Ahmad and Humaira, what is the problem? In spite of saying so many times, you people don't switch on your camera. What is the problem? You can tell me. If not, you want to sit in the waiting room, tell me. Yes, Ahmad.
The problem is when I open split screen,
Yeah.
it says I'm not allowed to open the camera.
Why? When you
I
open,
don't know. It's saying it's unable to access camera.
but now you are visible, right?
Yeah, because I closed the split screen.
You close the full screen, but you are able to see us, right?
Yes.
So just exit the full screen. It's okay. Even I am not opening the full screen. Okay. A small window is there. You're able to see everyone. You can see me.
Yes.
Okay, then that is fine. Did you find, Humaira, connect your charger? Okay. Emma, did you find on Google Classroom? Did you find the exercise?
Whenever I open Google Classroom, the camera turns off.
Okay, fine. Okay, I'll give you the question now. Okay, again, 3.4 is your, you will complete and send it to me. Some questions I'm making
Ma'am?
right now.
Ma'am, for the E1, it will be 1480, right?
Which one?
Yes. E1, 1480.
Yes.
Because the 9 will turn into 0, right?
Yes, 1480. We did that. F part. Okay, Ahmad, you give me the answer. 3804. Round off to tens place. Tens. T-E-N-S. 3804.
Ma'am,
I can't see the question.
You can see the question?
No.
No, I'm giving you the question. 3804. Okay, you can write it down and round off to tens place. Tens means T-E-N-S, not
Ma'am,
tens.
can I say?
Ma'am, can I answer, ma'am?
Ma'am, can I say?
Let Ahmad answer.
3.8.
No, it's not decimal. Just write down the number. Write down 3804.
Ma'am, can I say?
Wait. What is the digit at tens place? Tell me.
0.
0. What is the digit right hand side of tens place?
4.
4 is less than 5.
Yes.
So 0 remains as it is and 4 will be replaced by 0. So your answer is 3800. Is it clear, Ahmad? Rounding off to tens place. So you will underline tens digit and check the next digit. Okay, now next question. Question number 2. Round each number to the nearest thousand. Okay, now Abdullah, you will answer. 1200.
Yes, ma'am.
What is the answer?
Nearest 1000, right?
Yes.
It's gonna be 1000.
Yes, it is 1000. 2550, Muazzam.
Ma'am, 10 triple.
Ma'am, 3000.
Yes, 3000. C part 3707 Mudabbir.
4,000.
Yes. 8090 Munib. You have to underline thousands digit and check the right hand
Ma'am,
digit.
can I say?
Wait, Amina, I'll come to you. 8090.
9,000.
Why 9000? Which digit you will underline?
8,000.
Munib?
4,000.
Which digit you will
Nine.
underline? Which
Nine.
digit? No, which digit is as at thousands place? Which digit?
Ma'am, 4,000.
8.
Wait, Safia. Which digit is at thousands place?
Zero.
1, 10, 100, 1000. No, 8 is there at thousands place. You move from this side. Right hand side.
didn't see, right?
So 8090. So 8 you will underline. You will check 0. Now what
It
will
is
be?
less than 5.
Huh?
It is less than 5.
So answer will be 8000. You will replace rest of the digit by 0. Okay, Amina, now you tell.
Ma'am, what is the C answer?
C is
Ma'am.
4000.
Ma'am, in the E1, I have a doubt.
Yes.
When the thousands place is 3, at the thousand place there's 3, and then we are going to check 8. So 8 is bigger than 5.
Yes.
So we are going to add 1 to 3,
Yes.
but we're at 1 to 1 also.
No. Only one digit you will add. So 1.
Then it will be 1400.
0. 3 zeros are there. So
000.
14,000. Answer will be 14,000. Okay. 792. Farhana. 792. What will be the answer? What digit is at 1000 place?
And there is no digit at 1000.
That
0
means
is at 1000.
0.
okay. So you will check next digit. What is the next digit?
1,000.
It is greater, so it will become 1000.
Yes. So answer is 1000. Okay. So first and second we have done. Question number 3, 4, and 5 is your homework. Write down there only. Question number 3, 4, 5 is homework. First and second we have done. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
I think I have sent you on Google Classroom also. So hand in that paper only. First, second we did just now. Just do 3, 4, and 5 as homework, and then we'll do the next. Okay, we are starting with our topic now. Okay, this is a question where we are using integers, and integers we have already done. Now you just see the question. The numbers in the circles are added together, makes the number in this rectangle. Okay, so what is the value over here? Saklain, minus 13 and 6. What will come over here?
-7.
Minus 7.
Yeah.
Okay, I'll write it over here. Is it clear? Is it correct? Minus 7?
Yes, sir.
Yes, ma'am,
Check
it's
minus
correct.
13 plus 6. 13 is greater and with a negative sign, so minus 7. Okay, now what will come over here? Mudabbir, minus 13 and minus 8. What will come over here?
-21.
Minus 21.
Yes, minus 21. Correct. And what will come over here? 6 and minus 8. Humaira, what will come over here? 6 and minus 8. Ahmed, can you see the screen now? Is my
Ma'am,
screen
can
visible?
I say?
Ma'am, -2.
6 and minus 8, Humaira.
-2.
-2.
Come over here. Yes, minus 2. You have to add and find out the answer. Okay, Ahmed, what will come over here? No, first we'll do, you can do here also or here also. So 6, 9, and what will come over here? These two added will give you this.
15.
3.
Yes, it will be 3. 6 and minus 12. Safia, what
Ma'am?
will be the answer over here?
6 plus 9 is 15. Then how will you write?
Yes.
You are adding circles and answer is in the rectangle. You have to add the circles so that you get the answer in the rectangle. That is the question. Okay. So 6 and minus 12, Safia, what will be the answer?
-6.
Correct. Minus 6. Okay. 3 and minus 12. Munib, what will be the answer? 3 and minus 12.
-4.
Do it again. 3 and minus 12. What will be the answer?
-9.
Yes. It is minus 9. Okay, then last one. Farhana. Minus 8 and what will make minus 15?
Ma'am, can I tell me?
Ma'am, -7.
Minus
Plus
7.
7.
No, -7.
Yeah, it is minus 7 because minus 7 and minus 8 makes minus 15. Okay.
But minus becomes plus, right?
You are adding, but you will put a negative sign only. Okay. So what will come over here? Minus 7 and what will make minus 20? Who is writing this? What is the answer? Sakleen, you are writing?
Can I say, ma'am? Ma'am, it will be -13. Yeah.
Yes, it is minus 13. Minus 7 makes minus 20. Now last one. Sakleen, now give me the answer. Last one. Minus 8 minus 13. What will be the answer?
Minus 5.
Minus?
5.
Minus 5.
Minus 5. How come?
Ma'am,
Minus 21,
-20.
ma'am.
Ma'am,
Minus
-20.
21.
Minus 13. You are adding and you'll put a negative sign. 2 minuses you have to add and then put a minus sign.
Ma'am, -21.
Minus 21.
Yes, minus 21. Integers. Be careful with integers. Okay, so coming to the next slide. Now today we'll do addition and subtraction. Addition and subtraction, you might be knowing, everyone knows.
Yes.
You have to do simple addition and subtraction, but what precaution you have to take? You have to write decimal below decimal, ones below ones, tens below tens, tenth below tenth, and hundredth below hundred. And if you don't have any number, you will write 0.
Yes, ma'am, you have to add the decimal at the correct place.
Correct, yes. Correct place you have to put the decimal. And suppose here nothing is there, then you'll put a 0 and then you will calculate. Okay? Is it clear? Okay. So, is it clear? Nobody has doubt so that we can do some questions and then we'll do.
Here 1 will come 1. 16.
Wherever nothing is there, you have to put a 0. And then normal subtraction you have to do. You have to take borrow, you have to carry over if it is addition. So normal you have to carry out. Okay? And put decimal where the decimal is.
Ma'am,
Will be there. Let us do some questions. Yes, Safia.
can I say the 9 plus 2 would be 11?
Where is 9 plus 2? You don't have 9 plus 2. Above 2, you don't have
Okay,
anything. You'll put a
0.
0 over here. Okay. So only 2 will come down.
2.
Then 9 plus 6 is how much? 15. Carry
55.
over to go to the next digit. And 6 plus
2152.
4 plus 1 is 11. 11 carry over 1, then 2. And decimal you will put at the proper place. So 21.52 will be the answer. And if you are subtracting, now you have to subtract 16.9 minus 4.62. Now instead of 2, above 2 you don't have anything. So you'll put a 0 from your side. And 0, basically 2 you cannot take out. So you have to borrow 1 from 9. So it becomes 10. 10 minus 2 is 8. Here it becomes 8. And 8 minus 6 is?
2.
Yeah, it should be 2. They have written 3. It should be 2. Okay?
Ma'am, we have to do normal subtraction and division
Normal subtraction only.
and addition, and you just have to write the decimal.
Put decimal.
Ma'am,
That
Ma'am,
you
you
have,
can borrow from before the decimal also, no?
You can borrow from here also. Suppose less number is over here, then you will borrow from here. Normally, you have to follow the procedure. Just put a decimal sign in between. That's all. Okay. So we'll do question, then you will understand it.
And here's answer should be 1228.
Yeah. 2 should be there. That was wrongly done. 35.7 minus 20.94. So you will write the first number above and minus ke saath bottom number below. Just one by one put the values, and now here 10 is there, 0 is there. So you will borrow 1 from here. So it becomes, what is it?
And this answer is wrong. 77 should not come here.
Let me see how the answer is wrong. Let me see. I have just copy
No,
pasted.
ma'am, it's correct. It's correct.
This you will take 10. 10 minus 4 is 6, and this becomes 6. Borrow will come again from here. So you will get 16 over here and 4 over here. So cut over this. So 16 minus 9 is how much? 7. Okay. And 4 minus 0 is 4. And 3 minus 2 is 1. So your answer is, and decimal you will
14.76.
14.76. So normal addition and subtraction you have to follow. Just be careful about the position of decimal. Okay.
Understood, ma'am.
Now do these questions. 6.938. Write down in your notebook, then only you will be able to do. Don't do it directly, otherwise you will make mistake. 6.938 plus 2.75. Everyone write down in your notebook, and I want answer from Abdullah. 6.938 plus 2.75.
9.688.
Okay. Others also tell me. You have to tell me whether Abdullah is correct or wrong. Correct?
Correct.
Is he correct? Okay. How many correct? Muazzam, is he correct?
Ma'am, it's correct.
Yes, ma'am.
Tell me,
I cannot see
I'm not getting. Tell me, Abdullah.
Ma'am,
what was
4
the answer?
point.
What was
Ma'am, I got the answer as 9.688. That's the correct answer.
Same, ma'am.
9.688.
688.
So all of you are getting the same answer then.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
5.74. What is the answer, Saklen?
I cannot see the question.
Okay.
You cannot see the question.
No, ma'am, we can see.
8.22 plus 5.74. Write down, Saklen. 8.22. And then below you write 5.74. Farhana, what is the answer?
13.96.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. 13.9.
13.96. Amina, third
Ma'am, I
one.
got 13.96.
Yeah, third one. 0.936 plus 8.2.
Ma'am, can I tell?
So you have already told. Amina, your turn.
Ma'am, I got 9.036.
9.
No.
Why is it?
9.1.
Ma'am, it's 9.136.
Yes,
9.136.
9.136. 9 plus 2 is 11. Okay. Next one. Humaira, give me the answer for next one. I'm writing it over here only. 3. You have to write like this. 3.5, 6, and 4. What will be the answer? Ahmad, give me the next answer, subtraction 1. Again, you are gone, Ahmad.
Eight, 7.
Answer is 8.7565.
Is it correct? 8.75.
This correct.
5, 1. Ma'am, I
Is
can't see the fourth one. It's very small.
4.1 plus 10.1468.
Shruti, ma'am.
Answer? Yes?
Can't see the fourth one. It's very small.
I'm 14.24682.
5.1.
Check
Ma'am,
everyone.
can I tell the answer of the sixth one?
No, I asked Ahmad. Ahmad, you have to give me this answer. 7.37 minus 6.17. What was this answer? Fifth one? 14 point?
14.24682.
3.25.
468. Please tell me if I'm writing it wrongly. Huh?
Ma'am, and 2.
7.37 minus 6.17. Ahmed, what is the answer?
Ma'am, 2 also, ma'am. In the fifth answer.
Yes, ma'am. 2 also, ma'am.
Why?
Okay.
This one is 1.2.
7 minus 7. Ahmed, where are you?
I'm
What
here.
is the answer? I've been asking you answer for this
I
question.
think it's 1.2.
1.2. Okay.
I mean 1.1, 1.1.
Is it 1.1?
No, it is 1.2, ma'am.
Oh, it's 1.2, ma'am.
3.2. 3 minus 1 is 2.
Can I do the seventh one?
Yes, tell Amina. 5.687
I
minus
got
2.2.
2.347.
Is it correct? 3.34.
No, ma'am, not 3 point. 2.347.
No, it is 3.34.
No, ma'am. It is
No, ma'am.
2.347.
2.2.
2.347.
No, I'm asking the question is 3.34.
Yes,
The question is
3.34.
3.34. The answer is 2.347.
Yes, okay. I was writing. Okay, 2 point. What is the answer?
347.
347. Yeah, okay. Munir, give me the next answer. 5.4 minus 3.9.
1.5.
3.9. Carry over, borrow you have to take. 14 minus 9, how much?
Ma'am.
What is the answer, Munir?
No, I'm doing, ma'am.
Ma'am, can I tell the next answer?
Yes,
The
Farhana.
ninth one. 1.495.
Okay.
Ma'am, 1.5.
Okay, this is
8
1.
one is 1.5.
For ninth one.
1.495.
Okay, check everyone. Is it
1.495.
correct? 4.9,
Yes.
1.495.
Ma'am,
Yes, ma'am.
the last
Correct.
Okay, give me the
Last
last one.
one.
I solve the last one.
Hi, ma'am, I have solved it.
one.
Okay, give me the answer.
Ma'am, I got the answer as 5.
4.61.
How much? 4 point?
No, ma'am, I got.
4.61.
Is it 4?
Yeah, ma'am.
Yeah, it will be 4 only.
No, ma'am, it's 5. 5.79.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
4.61.
4.61.
Yes, ma'am, it's 4.61.
4.61.
Now you have to
4.61.
4.61. Okay, so all done. So it is clear. Just simple thing.
Ma'am, you wrote 461.
No, I have written point. It is not visible. Okay, so it is same only. Just put a decimal and be careful with the decimal. Otherwise, borrowing and carry over, same process you have to follow. Okay, so find the value of. Can you do this? 9.756 minus 6.28.
3.5.
3.5.
3.4.
Check everyone.
Okay. 3.536.
Tell me the answer. I won't be doing it.
3.536.
3.536. Okay, I'll check later. Everyone is getting this only?
Ma'am, I got 3.476.
476. Okay. 3.476. I'm writing all answers. 3.476. What other answer you are getting? Amina, how much you got?
Ma'am, I got 3.36.
3.36.
3.536.
Okay.
And 3.476.
3.476. Okay, these two answers we are getting. Farhana, how much you
Ma'am,
got?
3.476.
3 points. So most of you are getting this.
Yes, ma'am. 3.47.
Abdullah, check your answer. It is 3.476. Huh? Okay, next one. 48.1. This is
Ma'am,
wrong.
I also got 3.476.
Yes, 3.476 is the correct answer. This is wrong.
Ma'am, the next answer is 47.73.
Yes, 47 point. Check everyone. 73. Other answer if you're getting, tell me. This one, 108.032 minus 86.8. Who will give me the answer first? And correct answer also.
Ma'am, next answer is 21.232.
832.
Yes, ma'am. 21.232.
21.232. Only Farhana and Abdullah has done this question.
21.232 is the answer.
Yes. Okay. Mudabbir has got.
Yes, ma'am. 22.
Ma'am, 21.232.
Okay. Everyone has got this answer. Do the
Yes.
last one.
Ma'am, I got the answer, the last one, 16.32.
60.32 you are getting.
16.3. Or it can be 1,632.
1,000 will not be there. It should be less than 100 only, because 100 means you are subtracting 26.32. How much you are getting? Check it again, Humaira. I think it is wrong.
I'm 84.32.
Yes.
I'm 84.32.
32 you will get.
Yes, ma'am.
Check it again. 26.32 is
I
there.
am getting
I got-
73.68.
Yes,
Yeah,
ma'am, I also
also
got
got
73.68.
Yes,
73.
68 should be there. 73.68. Do you want me to show it? How
Yeah.
come everyone is doing this wrong? 100.00 you will put, because nothing is there. Then you will put 26.32. Like this you have to do. Subtract. 10 minus 2. 10 minus 2 is 8. And here you have got 9. Okay, here also you have got 9. And here
There also you have
so 9 minus
here it will come 6.
9
and
minus
then
6 is 3.
3,
And 9 minus 2 is
7,
7. So answer
73.68.
73.68. Okay, this is the answer. Like this you have to do.
11.
Okay, now this type of question, when it comes, what is added? What is to be added to 36.85 to get 59.4?
Ma'am, I know, ma'am. I think we should subtract 59.41 minus 36.85, right?
Yes, yes, you have to subtract. But suppose if you get confused sometime, then what we do, you just take what is to be added to 6 to get 10. So what we do, 6 plus 4 means 10 minus 6 we are doing. So it is, if you get confused at what we have to do, which number to which number we have to subtract, what you will do, you will subtract this minus this. Instead of asking this question, you just ask in your mind, taking smaller numbers. What is to be added to 5 to get 8? So you know that 3 is to be added. And how do you get 3? By subtracting 8 minus 5. Okay. So the number which is coming later will be on the top, and the number which is coming first will be at the bottom. So when you subtract, what do you get? Answer? 59.41 minus 36.85. What will be the answer?
22.56. 22.56.
Yes, ma'am.
How many you are
22.56.
22.56.
26. Ma'am, what is the answer for the fourth one?
This is given 73.68. This one. Answer is
But
given
I didn't understand.
73.6.
Because after 100, there is no dot. In 100, there's no dot.
So that is understood that after 100 it is dot. 100.00. Okay. Yes, 73.68. Yes, correct.
22.56, ma'am.
How you are getting for this?
22.56.
Ma'am, 22.56.
22.56.
Everyone is getting 22.56.
Ma'am, I didn't get what you explained. No, that other step of getting the answer, I didn't get.
See, you have to, if you get confused at what we have to do, addition or subtraction, you take smaller numbers. Like you just put this question, what is to be added to 6 to get 8? You understand? What will you add to
Ma'am,
6?
why did we
Get
add
8?
6? How do we...
You just
What number?
imagine a number, because you are adding something to a particular number, you will get a greater number. Okay, so you understand this. Like suppose I'm taking I'll make one question, like I'll put it to myself, like take a small number, what is to be added to 6 to get 8? So you know that you are adding 2 to get 8. So how do you get 2? By doing 8 minus 6. Okay, so that means you will do the same thing over here, 59.41 minus 36.85. Whenever, this is a normal technique, whenever you get confused in this type of question, because such type of questions are asked in word problems. So what you will do is put smaller number and think what you are doing, adding or subtracting. Okay, if it is asked what is to be removed from some number to get this number, then what you will do?
We'll add it.
What is to be removed? Suppose so you put a smaller number. What is to be removed from 5 to get 3? So you subtract
2.
again. So 2. What you did? You are subtracting this number from this number. So you did reversed, right? Understanding what I'm telling you? How to find out this? By taking smaller numbers.
I'm not getting it.
Yes, Humaira? What happened to you? Okay, see this question. How much should, the same question I asked, how much should 59.71 be decreased to get 34.58?
So ma'am, we'll do 34.58 minus 59.71, right?
How much should this be decreased to get 34.58? So what you will do?
Add them,
Same
ma'am.
answer.
Add.
Or
And we'll add, right? Because it's asking to decrease.
No, first, what did I tell you? Make a smaller question and find out. What?
What should be, by how much should 8 be decreased to get 6?
5.
Yes. What you are doing?
We are subtracting 5.
it's the same
8
answer.
minus this you are doing, right?
Yes.
So you are doing this number minus this number. Is it clear?
22.56.
Yes, you will subtract it. This should be the, you subtract, keep it in the top and this at the bottom.
You have to subtract, no, ma'am?
Yes.
Ma'am, I got it,
I
ma'am.
got the answer as
Ma'am,
25.23.
25.13.
Oh ma'am, 25.13.
13?
Yes.
Yes.
Ma'am,
That is the answer.
ma'am,
Yes.
over here also we'll do the same thing. We'll minus 59.71 minus 34.58.
Where? Which question?
The last question which you are doing now.
59.71 minus 34.58 you have to do.
Yes.
22.53.
Ahmad, can you switch on your camera?
25.13.
What is happening? Can you tell me, Ahmad?
There's an electrician at my house.
Okay. So you just inform me that why you are switching off your camera. Okay. Moving on to the next question.
24.53.
24 you were getting? What was the answer? Muazzam Mudabbir, what was the answer for the previous question?
25.13.
25.1.
So that is the answer. Okay. Okay, now multiplying, we'll be doing multiplication. So multiply and divide decimal by 10, 100 and 1000. Now this is a shortcut method to multiply and divide whenever you have multiples of 10, 100 or power of 10. What we do whenever we have to multiply, we just write this number and shift the decimal to the right hand digit. And how many digit you will shift? Equal to the number of zeros. if I multiplied a decimal number with 10, I'll shift the decimal to the right by 1 digit. So 4.49 into 10 will be 4.9. If you shift this decimal by 1 digit towards your right, so this is answer is 4.9. This is a shortcut method, okay? 2.65 into 100. How many zeros are there in 100?
Two.
So I'll shift, how many digits I'll shift? 2 digits I'll shift. So this becomes 265 and decimal over here can be removed. You can write just 265, okay? We don't write decimal in the end. That is a normal thing. 1000 into 0.370. How many zeros are there? 3. How many digits will shift?
3.
Okay, so what happens now? If you're shifting 3 digits, you don't have 3 digits over here, so we'll put a 0 over here. Okay, so your answer will be 0.370. Okay, no, not 0.
Ma'am, it will be 370. 0 does not count.
Here, so 370, 0.37, and you will put a 0 and point shifts over here, so you get a decimal after 370, which is normally 370 only. Okay?
Ma'am, this can be done with any numbers to multiply.
Any number, yeah, any number. Now, can you do this one? Abdullah,
Yes, ma'am.
do this 10 into 0.04.
10 into 0.04, the answer will be 4.
Wrong.
No, sorry, 0.4.
0.4.
0.4.
Yes, 0.4. 100 into 0.04, Safia.
0.4.
4.
Answer, no, wrong. That is wrong.
Only 4.
Only 4, ma'am. Only 4.
Only 4.
Yes, only 4.
Ma'am, only 4.
Yes, 1000 into 0.04. Humaira.
Triple 0.4.
40.
No, ma'am, 4.0. 4 only.
How's the client? How many decimals?
40, ma'am.
How many digits you will shift?
Ma'am, 40.
Ma'am, 40. 40.
How many digit you will shift, Saklen?
3.
3. So 1, 2, and one more digit you have to shift, and you don't have a digit, so you have to put a 0.
Ma'am,
And
40
then
is the answer.
So answer is 40.
40.
Okay. Amina, you give me this answer. 10 into 0.56.
And the answer, which one? The C one, ma'am.
D. C done.
Oh.
10 is there. You have to.
Ma'am, 5.6.
5.6.
Yes, 5.6. Munib, 100 into 0.56.
56.
560. Ma'am, wait.
How come
56.
560?
56.
Okay, next one.
560.
560.
56. This is 560. Okay, Farhana, 100 into 5.493.
Ma'am, it will be 543.9.
54.39.
then? Yes, 543.9. 2 decimal you have to shift. 100 into 4.03.
403.
100 into 4.03.
403.
403.
10 into 0.04.
Yes, Safia. 10 into 0.048. What will be the answer?
What?
Tell me. One decimal.
0.4.
0.4.
0.48.
Yes. Mudabbir, 100 into 0.048.
And 0.48.
No. Second one I'm asking. 100 into
48.
4.8.
Only 48.
4.8.
4.8. 2 decimal you have to shift. Two zeros are there on 100. So 2 decimal. So 1 and 2. 4.8. 3.
And the third answer is 480.
48, ma'am. 48.
48.
Muazzam, you give me the answer. 1000 into 0.048.
48.
48.
Yes, 48. 3 digit you will shift to the right. 1000 into 3.06. Ahmad, what is the answer? 1000 into 3.06.
3.06.
Ma'am,
And
3060.
3060.
3060.
Yes, 306 and 0, because 3 decimal you are going to shift towards right. 100 into 30.54, Munib.
3054.
3054.0. But we will not have to put 0.0.
3054 only. 30.73 into 10, Saklen.
307.3.
Yes, ma'am.
30 point.
Yes, Saklen.
307.3.
Yes, 307.3.
I'm writing 3. Huh.
0.3. 93.103. Okay, tell me how many.
9310.3.
Wait, Saklen.
Ma'am, can I see?
Yes. Yes.
9310.3.
93.
0.3.
Yes. My pen is not moving.
10.3.
3. Okay. So now you know the multiplication. Now suppose if instead of 10, 100 and 1000, they are writing 10 raised to 2, 10 raised to 3. Will you be able to do?
No, ma'am.
No, why?
Why?
Thing is there. Suppose this is the question.
Like that.
Yes.
There will be 10 into 10.
So which is.
So,
see,
ma'am,
what
the
step of
decimal
power
will.
means
That means you have to put
that
the
is the number of zeros.
100 times.
Ma'am, I thought that the decimal 2 times.
Okay, always remember.
Ma'am, does that mean you have to move the decimal 2 times?
Yes, 2 places. 3 means 3 places. So what will be the answer for this? 10 raised to 2 into 0.007. What will be the answer, Amina?
7.
0.7.
7 that.
0.7. Not because 2 decimal, na? So 2 is 2 zeros. So here 0.7 you will have the answer, Amina.
0.7 or 0.7.
Okay. Is it clear, Amina? It is 0.7,
Yes, ma'am.
not 7. Okay. Next question. Safia, tell me. 3 zeros are there. 10 raised to 3 means 1000. So 2.01. What will be the answer?
2010.
Yeah.
Abdullah, don't give others answer. Okay, now you tell, Saklain, you give me answer. 10 raised to 5 into 4.1. 5 zeros are there. 5 means 5 zeros. So how many decimal I'm going to shift? I have got only one decimal.
Ma'am, 41 and more 4 zeros.
41 and how many more zeros? 4 zeros. Because I shifted only one digit. Saklain, is it not clear to you yet? It's clear or not? Tell me. If yes, then answer this. 10 raised to 5. Again, 5 zeros are there. What will be the answer? Farhana, can you give me the answer for this?
Ma'am, 4.
Ma'am, can I answer, ma'am? 4159 and more 3 zeros.
Let Farhana answer.
Yes, ma'am. 4, 5,
9, 2 decimal gone.
and 3 more.
Okay. Okay, the time is over. So we'll be doing this type of questions is same. You just have to understand, take the power and same number of digits.
Ma'am,
okay?
when you said 10 upon 3, I thought it was, you said it in fraction. That's why I said no.
No. It's the same thing. Okay. So I'm stopping it. Okay, so see you in the next class. Please complete your homework. This exercise also 3 questions. Okay.